Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can use fading feather in Duckov. So what you'll need to do is have some fading feathers. So let me find one. As you can see, I have 15. So basically go ahead right here and take these ladders down and go right here. And basically you'll get an offer. It's called totem. So if you take it, as you can see, I get a totem and I can equip it right here. And it gives like some specialities, like dramatically increases reload speed, and the second totem increases defensive attributes. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can use fading feathers in Duckov. And you can stash them in the bunker right here, in the storage or warehouse. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything and comment down below for the algorithm.